Omar, Hamza, and Sultan were best friends in class 6. One day, a group of older boys laughed loudly at Omar in the corridor. Hamza wanted to shout at them, but Sultan held his arm gently. Instead, Sultan whispered, "Let's stay calm. Let's walk away together." After class, Omar felt sad and quiet. His friends noticed immediately. Hamza told Omar, "Bullies want us to be scared. We are together." Sultan suggested, "Let's tell our teacher, Mr. Ali, what happened." Omar was nervous, but his friends walked with him to Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali listened kindly and thanked the boys for speaking up. He told them, "You are brave for sharing. Always support each other and never fight bullies." The next day, the bullies tried to tease again, but the boys ignored them. Omar, Hamza, and Sultan talked and laughed, showing they were not upset. Other classmates joined, standing beside them in the playground. The bullies saw they were outnumbered and walked away looking surprised. Omar realized that being together and telling an adult made him feel strong.